1. Damola Olatunji, the star actor, along with his wife Bukola Awayemi, also an actress, had a set of twins back in 2014, and the monozygotic twins clocked 3 earlier this year. 2. Desmond Elliot, the director cum producer cum politician, is a man who has got twins living in him, as the actor has not 1 but 2 set of twins. 3. Harrysongz, the altar plate act, is one of the few celebrities who has got a set of twins, a monozygotic i.e. a boy and a girl. 4. Taiwo Aromokun, the Yoruba actress who is a twin herself, has a set of twins boys to her name, as the 4-year-old boys are just the love of their parents' life. 5. Harrysongz, the movie producer, was initiated into the league of parents with twins last year, and the twins, a boy and a girl, are all grown, having clocked a year. 6. Olapamiji 9 Ice, just before he divorced his wife Tony Payne, the No Be Mistake crooner, had a set of twins about 6 years ago with his ex-wife. 7. Paul Okoye, the freshest member of the Twins Parent Association, is Paul Okoye of the P-Square Gang, as the singer and his wife Anita welcomed a set of twins about a few months.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and importantly, you need to subscribe, because we drop videos almost every day. Any events going on in Nigeria, Boa TV is always the first to get there, so you just need to subscribe, unless you'll be missing out. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us, we're going to come. If any event just take place or you heard something, just go on YouTube, search for Boa TV. You see there, we are always there, we are everywhere. Importantly, don't forget, just subscribe. And how to subscribe is so simple. There's a circle here written Boa TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all.